Welcome to Starbeck Educational Resources. Today we're excited to showcase 6 items that are perfect for teaching primary school pupils about the Paleolithic period. The 6 items range from a wooden pot with a skin lid, which would have been used during the Stone Age period for storing food, to a natural cow horn used for carrying water and other liquids. These unique items are a great way to give students a hands-on experience and to spark conversation and interest. More information can be found in the links in the description below.